This is about to be insane, guys. We're back at this cave. It's got the 280-foot waterfall inside of it. And we're going down the waterfall and gonna go back up that rope that we saw. We never went up it. And then we're gonna go in the unmapped tunnels down below and see what's down there. Gotta get this thing nice and round to go through the cave.
Whenever you're rolling it for the next while.
Okay. Well, I guess we go down here.
Yeah. Alex, do you have the map downloaded on your phone?
Yeah.
Like you can pull it up in the cave?
Yeah.
Heck yeah. You able to fit all your gear in your bag thing?
Yeah, I took some out,
Nice.
rearranged some stuff, swapped racks with Edward. I just gotta get a bigger bag.
Yeah, I feel ya.
Full size.
I really want to get one of those cylinder dry bags. You know what I'm talking about?
Yes.
I've been looking for one for a week and I have not been able to find one. In a store, rather.
Yeah, the PMI ones have like a hole in the bottom.
So for water drain?
Yeah.
That's actually not a bad idea.
It's not the worst.
It is drier than last time.
Yeah.
It seems dusty.
Yeah. I think these were a little wet last time. This log was in here last time.
A little bit of a breeze. It sounds like it's coming.
Yeah, I hear that.
It's so weird.
Y'all hear something?
How far behind you is he?
He's right behind me.
Okay. I like how the toe is just completely blown out on this.
Dude, so blown.
Hey, this one's getting ready to go.
Oh, snap.
Your toe's trying to escape.
That's gonna be even worse.
Go through any gravel, it just fills up with gravel.
Yeah. Man's eating Bojangles over here.
Welcome.
Hey.
He made it.
Watch this whole thing just be like bone dry.
Dude, it kind of seems like it. You want to trade off at the rope at that sump area?
Sure.
Cool.
Jesus Christ.
Just book bag taker off regardless.
Yeah. Getting pretty low.
Get low. That'd be great.
Came crawling out.
That was bad.
That was bad, right?
Yeah.
Did you come, was that just Cade that came here last time, or have you made it to this part too?
Me and Cade turned back pretty close to the entrance.
Cade made it a little further.
Gotcha.
Cade made it like a third of the way down that and turned in.
That is 100% the worst part.
Dude, I'm so hot.
Wait, you're hot?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a good thing. Yeah. There's one little climb squeeze that we have to do, and then after that, we're home free. You're walking the rest of the time.
That's good.
How can you be hot? One layer on?
No, I got two.
Oh, yeah, okay. Well, you're probably gonna get even more hot now, walking through this passage. We get to swim soon enough.
Okay, good.
No, we don't.
No, we don't, dude.
Don't lie to him.
We're like, I'm telling you,
If that's happening, I'm excited for that.
From here
we're
on
like
out,
30 minutes from the water.
yeah, we're like halfway to it.
Yeah. Not bad.
Not bad, right?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, this is the move. I can backpack this backpack to this backpack.
Classic.
There you go.
Perfect.
Extendo clip for your sway bag.
Yeah.
Swago bag.
The freaking Swagos need them, man.
Yeah, I know, right?
So damn small.
Pretty sad you won't make bigger ones, so they, whoever it is.
I'm sure they got.
There.
We have to go through the fence and walk away up the cliff behind it. And we got that stuff over there, and we saw a clock, church clock going to the street.
Was it him or was it the cop?
We don't know what it was, I guess. There was no cop down there when we came back out of the parking lot. We saw it in the church, so I don't know if they saw it or not. Oh, dude.
That's upstream, I think.
Oh, I'm sorry.
We did the same thing last time.
Dude, from what I remember, there was like a steady trickle coming in the last time, right?
Yeah.
Nothing.
Oh yeah, the big old ceiling.
Oh, yeah. favorite part. Oh, James, I'm guessing it's only time for the rope to be carried by me again.
Oh, one of us.
You got all of it?
Could be either one of us.
Oh, where is it? Oh, Edward got it. Hey,
For
Edward.
now.
Let me know when you want to get rid of that rope. Looks like we're intersecting at the big stream. So that little kind of getting the water on. Alright. The big one. The way we can end it would be faster.
Somewhere I need to take my thumb out.
I think you can see it's bigger and bigger as we go through it.
Dude, crawfish. If not, you could just move it up past the silt.
I'm gonna look for this like a whole area.
I want to go to the wall to the rainbow. Oh, dude.
This is where I'm taking my thumb.
Yeah, nobody get in the water yet.
This is it.
So cannonball in the water. Oh, it's crazy. This corn.
Dude, if you want like a swim spot, bro.
I know, right?
Swim spot?
Dude.
Holy crap. We should do that after for like over here.
Wow.
We all need to jump in.
At the end?
We've lived this place up.
Dude, we gotta be careful. This is probably sick.
This is terrifying, man. There's something about this that's just so. Yeah, this wreck's very loose. It's such a bad lit too.
My shoes are slick. I'm just gonna go.
Yeah, you might. For real.
Holy crap. Whoa. Woo! Dang. That was the coolest rappel ever. Wow. Look at that. Man, you were hauling down that rope.
Yeah, buddy. Dude, I just slammed on the brakes, I slid.
Dang.
Oh. Oh my God, that was so nerve-wracking. How'd you like that, James?
Alright, I had to feed it for a good while because my rack was a little jammed up.
Yeah.
It was terrifying, man.
Off-road! God.
Woo! Getting cold? No. I honestly have been feeling great this entire time. Oh yeah, I'm gonna climb to the top of this pile.
Get it.
Nope. Yeah, we don't know what you're saying. Wow, look at this circular platform here. This is wild.
Like a podium.
Yeah. Oh!
The cave Messiah. Whoa, that is crazy looking.
I know, right?
Dude, we can't hear anything you're saying.
That's all I got, bro. Hey, man. You stumbled up here.
How was that?
It's like you walk up a mountain.
I definitely think it's 250. It seemed so much bigger last time.
Dude brought a 1 pound sausage into the cave.
Let's go, man.
I mean, that's honestly the best fuel. Here, let me take my helmet off and see what this actually looks like.
Good point. I'll let you tell me.
That is so foggy.
Oh, I know. So we are at the bottom of this pit. There's a rope over there. You can see because it's extremely foggy over here.
Woo! We're getting closer. I can see the rope clear as day. Is it?
Yes.
Wow.
It's not quite long enough. Oh, who did that? Who made that rope?
Who made that rope? Probably TMI. I mean, even if you get the top of it in the bolt bridge, they're only falling like 15 feet.
Yep.
Doesn't feel any better, but
I feel so much better about this. Thank you.
of course. Random sketchy rope.
Random sketchy rope is right.
Dude.
That doesn't sound good. What's the Alex?
Yeah.
It's a little rusty. Questionable. Makes you question the
It's
next.
just a little bit of surface rust.
They probably use a Home Depot.
Oh, that sounds.
On it now.
I'm coming up, man.
You made it.
He's off that rope. Cave dust. I see somebody put this dirt clod here. So you boost yourself up on it.
Oh yeah, we could make a little rock climb.
What's it look like? Whoa. Does it go?
No, he doesn't know yet.
I need to save my strength for the way out.
I thought so. The first time I came down here.
If it snaps, it's gonna be such a whipper.
Oh yeah.
If it snaps, you better hope it doesn't pull rock out of the wall.
Right.
Ah.
Chunk of bolted into.
Oh, you're right. What if that's the thing that made the crack?
That's what I'm worried about.
This rope is so chewed up right here.
No.
Yeah.
The sheath is.
Yeah. Sheath is not looking good. Not really liking the setup too much.
No.
No, you definitely talked me out of it.
It looks really hard to get back down too.
What was that?
A mud clot.
Okay.
Maybe that's what it is. That formation right there is kind of crazy.
Oh wow, I didn't even see that.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow, it's pretty big.
It goes.
Wow. Look at all the, what is this? That is crazy.
Yeah.
Oh man, I wish they would have made it up.
I know.
Whoa.
Yeah.
That is crazy. Some of the whitest popcorn I've ever seen. Holy crap, dude. Did you make it this far?
Dude, no.
Dude. There's another rope. What?
There's another rope.
There's another rope. This is insane, man. This whole area is so delicate.
Yeah, and very muddy too.
And like,
Dude,
that's a big jump to get down. I think we gotta squeeze down right here without backpacks.
Wow.
This is crazy. Oh man, my hand is in just like a block of mud. Whoa. Dude, there's so much crystals in here. Dude, it gets big back there. We're gonna go your way first. We'll check this crystal passage out on the way back. This is so cool in here. Did it end?
No, this is a crawl.
Oh.
There's also an up. Two ups.
Two ups.
Oh, that's crawling for a minute.
Oh man. That is the most prominent way though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I think we gotta do it.
Yeah, I think so too.
I think we need to ditch our harnesses.
Yeah. I agree.
Let's see.
Wonder if I can film this pretty good. Somebody's been back in that room.
You think?
Yeah, the mud's all disturbed.
There's no way.
Yeah, dude. There's probably a different way to get there.
I bet there is too.
It's one of them upper tunnels, maybe.
Yeah.
Is it just like a tight passage up there?
Yeah, it's not the best.
It's going.
Oh.
Problem is that it's a wedge.
Oh. It certainly looks like you're wedged. You know, it certainly looks like you are.
Yeah, you gotta turn completely sideways for this. But it's definitely going. I
Heck
think it.
yeah. I'm wondering if I should slide into this one or whether I should follow you.
Let me see if I can even do this one.
True. I wonder if I can even do this one.
How do you get into a position where I can lift my hips, you know? There we go.
Was that the hardest part?
I think so.
Okay.
Although getting back out will arguably be much worse.
Yeah.
That could be fixed one day, you know?
Hey,
Hey!
that sounded pretty tight still.
It really isn't. It's just long and awkward.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. If I give you a really good left hand right here.
A left hand. Let me see what that would do. That'd probably do it.
It's not
Because
good.
then I'd actually be able to plant a foot up here.
Exactly.
Hey.
There's still a down I haven't looked at yet too.
Okay.
But I want to go look at this sump over here.
The sump.
Sump. Somehow.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's a water sump.
Uh-huh.
Oh man.
You ready to dive in?
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh my gosh.
That's some cold water.
Why is this so cold?
That's formation underneath the surface of the water. There's some weird formations. I haven't seen any like those.
Wow.
It's weird. I mean, it's still going. It gets a little low right here briefly, but
Alright. If it keeps going, I'm gonna follow you in.
Alright.
Oh, I wish I could move this rock. Yeah, it's not loaded. We'll catch up again. That's awful.
Oh, that is so cold.
Yeah, it's not a super thing.
You broke through.
What if I get this part off?
Yeah. Oh, that's not good.
Keep an arm cord. Yeah, there you go. Dude, okay, so it keeps going up. Looks like it maybe got cut to the right.
That's a drop right there. I guess I'll start getting into the biggest one.
You take some version passage. I've been doing it up until this point.
Well, there's 2 directions to go, so
Dude, I feel the breeze like circulating right here.
yeah.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah, you can see it rising up pretty quick for me. Oh.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Oh, the wind.
Oh man, this is gonna get real tight. Like we gotta dig this out tight. Woo! Bro, that was not good. That was not good. That was tight. Ooh. Ooh, this is not looking good, man.
What?
This might be it.
This might be it?
Like as in, it keeps going. But dude, I don't think we're fitting through that.
Oh. Come back with the drill.
Well, like, we just need to dig out the mud.
Oh. So what do you want to do?
I really don't think we're fitting in this one either. But I'm tempted to push.
Yeah.
Dang.
Oh, this is terrible.
That was a squeeze, man. Okay. Let me see what's over here. Oh, you gotta go through a pool of water.
Not following anything.
Looks like he keeps going.
Shocker.
Shocker, right?
Yeah.
You never would have guessed. Oh, dude, we'd be at this for hours more probably. We gotta get back to them. Yeah. All right. It's a drop, ain't it, man?
Just a little bit.
We didn't think this one through when we came up.
No, we definitely didn't.
That's some rock climbing moves right there.
It really is, man. It really is.
That's some rock climbing moves right there.
Go for it.
All right, here goes. Oh yeah, that's a beat stinger right there. Easiest way down though.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
We're so covered in mud.
I know. We're gonna come back and they're gonna be like, what? How?
Yeah.
Look at my shirt.
No, dude, mine's ripped everywhere too.
I'm like craving food, but like I don't a specific kind, but I don't know what kind.
The summer sausage.
No, I think I want like a burrito
Oh.
or something.
You know what I'm craving?
What?
My chicken sandwiches when I get out.
That's a good idea.
Hot chicken sandwich. I'm gonna be surprised if they're still right there.
Think that they climbed up?
Climbed up or started exploring, you know?
Man, it's been like 3 hours.
Right? Oh.
Fucking way.
Oh.
No, I went back there and looked for you guys for the past hour and a half.
You came up here?
Yes.
Dude. It was horrible. It was horrible.
It was awful. Gear sitting there, and I was like, they have to be around here somewhere.
Oh, you found our gear?
Yeah, and I looked fucking ever.
We went up.
Yeah, I know. I saw that and I was like, that's a little too sketchy for me.
It was so sketchy.
It was bad.
What
It was so bad. Dude, what?
What'd you find?
Just like a million
Everything.
different tunnels.
Everything.
Like we couldn't.
Anything cooler than all those bullshit tunnels?
So that where we climbed up at, all Virgin Passage.